To Little Kittens. Today we are going to be making some slime here. I already got done making some fluffy slime. Hold on. I don't have any food coloring. I had to use these. It didn't affect anything on the slime though. I think I just made it a little bit sticky. I pulled some out. See? So we're going to be showing you how to make that slime. Also, DIY squishy. So what you do is, you throw your slime in here. You just zip up the bag. And you're done. Did you punch the crap out of it? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Anyway, today we're going to be making some slime. So what you do is you get your jug of freaking glue. Say, look at that. That slime works so well. There's no bats or something. There's no, I don't know. But don't eat. Also, hey guys, look. It's BG Mike's Dream Girl. You pour the thing in. Then where the heck is... Then you can't find the cat. Terrific. Okay. Then you do this. Then you stir nothing. And then you get this beautiful thing. You get beautiful. Is this Tide Pod? Is this the Tide Pod? In the arms of the angels. Okay, we gotta put all this Tide Pod juice. Frick. It's like me when I tried to do my old Flip a Clip videos. Remember the hot milk meme and crap? I think I put it in a bit too much. You stir, but you don't touch it because it will get your hands all dirty. But then you put it in this. You get some of BG Mike's yummy barba thing. Get it at stores. My dad is going to have to get more shaving cream. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. This is my dream. This is BG Mike's dream. Oh, imagine what it felt if you just get a bathtub filled with whipped cream. Not whipped cream, but whatever this is. Don't ask why there's water beside us. I'm still a child. Rip. You put it in there. And then you come with me. We're going to have to be very quiet. Just to... on, guys. I need to go get some paper towels to wipe my hands off. Even though there's a towel right there. Look at my hand. Beep. Okay, I'm back. Now you have to get the spoon. My mom's gonna kill me for this, but it's fine. Then you just set it down on the towel because no one needs it. You don't really need it. Then you go do this. Like, yeah, look at that satisfying crap. Yeah, look at this. So satisfying. Barely. Then you go get this. Then you get the spoon. Gouge it out. Like you're gouging, like Foxy from FNAF was gouging your eyes out. That's probably not something a young kid would say. But Mom doesn't know I have a YouTube account. But YOLO. My mom doesn't keep an eye on me, so apparently she's the worst mom ever. But she's a good mom. She's the worst mom. All the other moms are bad moms, and my mom is a good mom, and my mom sucks. Then you pick up your slime and then play with it. When you pick this up, you pick it up, then oh crap. Alright guys, I need to wash my hands before I touch the camera. I mean, I can't really turn off the camera for asking. Like, you can just turn off the camera. No. My hands are whipped cream. Or shaving cream. I'm gonna have to press pause with my toe if you don't mind me. Okay, I'm back again. But this time, I'm actually gonna use a spoon. Because I'm a normal person. I'm gonna be back when it's stirred all the way. I am done stirring it. Holy crap. Now in the other one I put in some glitter in it, but then you put some glitter in it, but I don't think I have any more glitter. Hold on. I'll put glitter in it. I am done. And there you go. That's how you make slime. Goodbye, my beautiful little kittens. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I don't really freaking care land. I don't really know land. Azzy? That called Azzy land. Look at this butter slime. I don't know what's the difference of butter slime and fluffy slime. People are going to be like scolding me in the comments like, they're a whole different thing. Butter slime doesn't feel like butter. And the other slime is freaking fluffy as heck. And yeah, look at that. Also, I didn't use a spoon. I used this to stir it. I'm like, oh yes, screw the spoon. That rhymed kind of. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Anyway, bye guys.